Come back to subscribe, please. Today we're diving into NAMADA, also known as $NAM, a crypto coin and blockchain with connections to the MEXC Global, Cosmos Chain, Ethereum, and Solana. NAMADA is a system focused on private asset transfers and interchain operability. It offers a multi-asset shielded pool, or MASP. It leverages advanced cryptography for privacy, employing zero-knowledge proofs like Zk and ARKS, and its architecture is designed for scalability. NAMADA utilizes the Interblockchain Communication, or IBC protocol. This allows it to interact with other Cosmos chains. While still emerging, there is potential for bridging with Ethereum and Solana, enhancing privacy on those blockchains. However, there may be limitations when interacting with these ecosystems. The $NAM token is used for staking and governance, paying transaction fees, and incentivizing network participation. Tokenomics, including total supply, distribution mechanisms, and vesting schedules, will be important details to watch as the project develops. $NAM depends on its current availability. If it's on centralized exchanges like MEXC Global, you create an account, complete KYC verification, deposit funds like USDT or BTC, trade for $NAM, and withdraw it to your wallet. If it's on decentralized exchanges, you'd connect your wallet like Keplr or MetaMask, swap compatible tokens for $NAM, and confirm the transaction. Other possibilities include airdrops, initial DX offerings, or private sales. If $NAM isn't yet available, follow NAMADA's official channels for updates and consider participating in test nets or incentivized activities if they're offered. Or wallets. Keplr is a possibility if NAMADA is based on Cosmos. To store your cryptos safely, create a wallet, store your seed phrase securely, and add the NAMADA network to your wallet if needed. And remember, cryptocurrency markets are volatile, and there's a risk of scams and phishing attacks. Do your own research, practice security best practices for storing your $NAM tokens, and understand the project's limitations and roadmap. In summary, NAMADA is a project focused on privacy and interoperability, with potential within the Cosmos, Ethereum, and Solana ecosystems. Remember to do your own research and follow official channels for updates before investing. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe, please.